On any given day that you see me out, I am most likely wearing gold hoops. I've always loved gold hoops. And I went and found the most affordable hoops. All of these, plus a few more that I put in my Amazon store. This is number one I'm going to show you. They just look good on any skin tone, hairstyle, a little bit thicker and a little bit larger. This is number two. So you've got the big one, but the smaller, cuter, like more kind of everyday. And then these are the ones that I've been wearing literally every day. This is the number three. Okay. See, a little bit more delicate, easy. I even wear them hiking and when I play pickleball. And then the number four, straight back, really simple. These are a little bit bigger too, but if you're going out at night or even just a pair of jeans, these are the number four. What do you guys think? Which one? 1, 2, 3, or 4? All 4 of them I'm going to put in a folder in my Amazon cart. So just comment hoop and I'll send you the link. Hey, you could even get all 4 pairs.